What's up, guys? Welcome to another one. So this video is going to be very important for the new guys just starting out in the business, and they're still a little unsure in themselves as far as their equipment and maybe even their process, their skills. But if you've taken my course, you should be prepared for all the skill part of the problems. Well, I shouldn't say problems, but your concerns. So check it out. So I seen a post in the cleanup group. It's a Facebook cleanup group. It's just for guys just starting out in the business and people that have more experience, and it's just helping other people. It's kind of a support group. Anyway, so a guy, I guess he's starting out with a portable. So he shows up to his job, all motivated, pumped up, ready to go. And the guy comes outside and sees his portable and his minivan and turns them away. So, needless to say, guy's very disappointed or very discouraged, and I know how he feels, I know that feeling. Discouraged, all of a sudden you're kind of sick to your stomach, you just waste your money on this, so you don't know if you want to keep going on it, and guys, get that out of your mind. If you're feeling that way, if you're just starting out, yes, it's nice to have the big truck mount. It is, all right. But basically, guys, if this ever happens to you and you're starting out with a portable, the first thing you need to do is just tell the customer confidently, I'm sorry you feel that way. You have a lot of experience in carpet cleaning. And even if the guy says, yeah, I know a little bit about it, then you would say, okay, well then you would know that really these big truck mount machines is more for the convenience of the technician, not having to bring the equipment out of the truck or van into the house, and also because of the vacuum. So the vacuum only coincides with the PSI. So you would know that, right? And the customer would probably get, glassy-eyed from there. And you just let them know, well, really, besides the convenience of the technician not having to bring the machine to the house, that vacuum really only coincides with the PSI. So if you have less vacuum, you turn down the PSI. Start getting technical with them, saying, well, usually truck mount guys, they clean at about 500, 600 PSI. Well, being I have the portable, we turn it down to about 200, 300 PSI, and you're still gonna get those great dry times. And you're still gonna get a nice clean, because 75% of the cleaning process has nothing to do with that machine right there. It has to do with preparation, your chemistry, right? Solutions, your agitation, spotting. So I do offer a 100% satisfaction guarantee. So if it is you're not happy with the job that I actually perform, then we can go from there. By that time, customer knows you know what you're talking about, and you can also be honest with them. Say, I've been doing this for years. I want to start my own business. I do know how to clean carpets, and I do know how to use machines like this to get excellent results. So yes, I want to build myself up so it makes it more convenient on myself, right? And maybe speeds up the job a little bit and get one of those bigger truck mounts. But that's not going to affect the clean overall. I'm very confident in my cleaning skills, and and then see what the guy says. If he still turns you away, then you don't want to clean for him, right? You probably don't want to clean for him anyway, because he's probably going to be one of those people that are very picky about everything, okay? But hey, you're going to be in those situations, okay? You're going to be in those situations to where you feel like you're on a job interview. So you're just like making sure you don't miss anything, all right? And you should do that anyway, all right? You should have that type of mentality. I do. Every job that I do, I overlook my stuff, all right? If I see a spot that I cannot remove with the initial passes, I'll go back and I'll spot it again, maybe use some different chemistry and see if I can get it out. And pretty soon, as you get more experience in this, you kind of just know as you're going along what'll disappear, what will not disappear. And just like maybe one spray or something, nah, that's not working, move on. But you're gonna feel like you're almost on a job interview with certain customers. You're not gonna make everybody happy. Listen, I've been doing this for full time for my own business for about 5 years now. So I can count on one hand how many cranky customers that I've had that questioned my equipment. Actually was really hard to work for. And I've actually gave them partial money back to, I think, one customer, a really filthy rich customer, a $3 million house customer with white furniture. And she wasn't happy because the white furniture, you have the corners, and they get worn, and they were worn, and she wanted them new. So instead of arguing with her, I gave her the money back for that sofa, and I'll never work for her again. So this is also, guys, see it as the universe is testing you. See if you got that grit to keep pushing forward, all right? Quitters will quit. If you quit now because of this one customer, then yeah, you're not ready yet. Keep pushing, because I've had that feeling, all right? I've had that moments of discouragement. See, I started out with the portable also, and I moved out of that portable within probably 3 months. I bought a brand new portable. I had an old portable that I knew wasn't doing the job. I had an old one I've had just to clean, my place here and there. Horrible machine. Used that one job, bought a new one. Used that for about 3 months and said, I don't like loading these in and out of the van, bringing them in the house. I don't like to do that. So I went on a mad hunt for a used truck mount, and I got that and just started building up from there. And I used that used truck mount for 3 years, and it made me a lot of money. I bought that truck mount for $5,000. So was it because of the clean that I actually moved up to a truck mount? No, it wasn't. It wasn't because of the clean. It was because of the convenience for me, moving in and out of the house, getting those setups going, not having to fill up the solution tank, drain the tank, The overall clean was going to be the same, but it saved me a lot of time having the truck. So that's the difference. Guys, in my course, I teach you guys about the equipment scenarios which you can get into. And I recommend, if you're going to get a portable, save a little bit more money. If it takes a month or 2 or 3, okay? It's better than wasting $2,000, okay? Save up a couple more $1,000. Get something that you can actually leave in your van, because they have electric truck mounts that you can actually leave in your van, and it has the same effect as a truck mount, okay? So it's gonna look to the customer like you have a truck mount, because hoses are running in. You're gonna have that convenience of leaving it in your van, and yeah. So think about that, guys. And I know they're expensive, these electronic truck mounts, compared to a regular portable you can get with about a 15-foot solution line and vacuum hose, wand, $2,000. So for a machine that you can actually keep in your van, we're looking around $8,000. I mean, that's with everything, with 150 foot of hose, wand. Actually, you get a propane heater. You get that machine that has that vacuum to where you can run 150 feet of hose, and you have that convenience. But I do understand that these equipment finance companies have high interest rates. So shop around on that, okay? Maybe go to your local credit union and see if you can get a better loan on that. Synchronicity, I think that's the name of the bank that I used. They do equipment financing, and they weren't bad, and I financed when I first started up. So anyway, I'm running off, okay? So basically, guys, I want you guys to think about this. Not every customer is going to be like that, okay? It's going to be 1 out of 100. I don't know. 1 out of 50 is going to actually turn. It's never happened to me, put it that way. Okay, so just because this person did that, that just shows the type of person he is. All right, keep on pushing. Don't give up. Next customer is going to be an angel. All right, they're probably going to give you a 5-star review, and you're going to feel so confident. All right, see you next one.